Yo, what's up everyone? It's Aryan Giri back again with another video and welcome to ARYSEC. Today, we're diving deep into the world of network protocols, the unsung heroes of the digital age. You know, the stuff that makes the internet, well, the internet. We're talking about the rules, the procedures, the handshakes that make sure your data gets from point A to point B smoothly and securely. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an aspiring network engineer, or just curious about what happens behind the scenes when you click that send button, this one's for you. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of it all. Communication protocols. These are the guys that establish the language devices used to talk to each other over a network. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump into a conversation in Japanese if the other person only speaks Spanish, right? You need a common ground. That's where these protocols come in. One of the heavy hitters here is TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol. This guy's all about reliability. It breaks down your data into packets, makes sure they arrive in order, and even asks for a resend if something gets lost along the way. It's like certified mail for your data. On the other hand, we have UDP, User Datagram Protocol. UDP is all about speed. It's like sending a postcard. No need for confirmation, just fire and forget. It's perfect for things like live streaming, where a little lag is better than no stream at all. Then we've got IP, the Internet Protocol. This one's responsible for addressing and routing your data packets. It's like the postal service of the internet, making sure your packets have the right address and get delivered to the correct destination. And let's not forget ICMP, the Internet Control Message Protocol. This one's like the messenger, providing feedback about network conditions and errors. It helps diagnose problems and keeps things running smooth. Finally, we have ARP, the Address Resolution Protocol. This one's all about local network communication, helping devices find each other on the same network. It's like asking, hey, who has this IP address? And getting a response back. Together, these communication protocols form the backbone of the internet, ensuring that data flows seamlessly between devices across the globe. Now, let's talk about sharing those cat videos and important documents. Enter file transfer protocols. We've all used these, even if we didn't realize it. Remember downloading a file from the internet or uploading one to cloud storage? Yeah, that's file transfer protocols in action. The OG of file transfer protocols is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It's been around forever and lets you move files between devices on a network. It's like the old school method of copying files to a flash drive, but over the internet. Then we have SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. As the name suggests, it's like FTP but with an extra layer of security. It encrypts your data, making sure those confidential files stay confidential during transfer. And if you need something simple and lightweight, there's TFTP, Trivial File Transfer Protocol. It's like the bare-bones version of FTP, perfect for transferring small files quickly, especially in environments with limited resources. So, whether you're sharing vacation photos or collaborating on a work project, file transfer protocols make it happen. Next up, let's check out email protocols. The reason you get those notifications, and sometimes spam, in your inbox. These protocols are all about sending and receiving email messages, making sure your carefully crafted words reach their destination. First up is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This one's responsible for sending your emails from your email client to the server. Think of it like dropping off your letter at the post office. Then we have IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP lets you access your emails from multiple devices and keeps your inbox synced across the board. It's like having all your mail delivered to your phone, tablet, and computer simultaneously. And if you're all about that offline access, POP3, Post Office Protocol 3, is your go-to. It downloads emails to your device so you can read them even without an internet connection. It's like getting your mail delivered to your doorstep and then reading it at your leisure. So, next time you hit that send button, remember the email protocols working behind the scenes to make it happen. Now, let's move on to the unsung heroes of network stability, network management protocols. These protocols are like the IT department of the internet, monitoring network health, troubleshooting issues, and keeping everything running smoothly. One of the big players here is SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. It allows network devices to share information about their status, performance, and any errors they encounter. It's like having a dashboard that gives you a real-time view of your entire network. Then we have NetFlow, which is all about analyzing network traffic. It provides insights into bandwidth usage, application performance, and potential security threats. It's like having a detective that investigates network activity and identifies any suspicious behavior. These network management protocols are essential for maintaining network uptime, optimizing performance, and ensuring a secure and reliable network infrastructure. They might not be the most glamorous protocols, but they're the ones working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the internet up and running. Alright, let's talk security. Because in this digital age, protecting your data is more important than ever. That's where security protocols come in, encrypting your data and safeguarding it from prying eyes. One of the most well-known security protocols is SSL/TLS, Secure Sockets Layer Transport Layer Security. You've probably seen this one when browsing websites. It's what puts the S in HTTPS and gives you that little padlock icon in your browser. SSL/TLS encrypts the communication between your device and the website, making sure your sensitive information, like credit card details and passwords, stays secure. Then we have HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It's essentially HTTP, the protocol used for browsing the web, but with an added layer of security thanks to SSL/TLS. HTTPS ensures that the website you're visiting is legitimate and that your data is protected during transmission. And if you're looking for even more robust security, there's ARYSEC, Internet Protocol Security. This one operates at the network layer, encrypting all data packets exchanged between two devices. It's like having a VPN for your entire network connection. So, whether you're online banking, shopping, or just browsing the web, security protocols are there to protect your data and keep your online activity private. Now, imagine you're sending a package across the country. You wouldn't want it to take the scenic route, right? You'd want it to take the most efficient path to reach its destination quickly. That's where routing protocols come in, determining the best routes for data to travel across networks. One of the major players in the routing world is BGP, Border Gateway Protocol. It's like the air traffic control of the internet, managing data exchange between different autonomous systems, or AS. These ASs are like different networks operated by Internet Service Providers, or ISPs. BGP makes sure that data gets routed efficiently across these different networks, even if they use different internal routing protocols. Then we have OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. This one's used within an autonomous system to find the shortest path between routers. It's like having a GPS for your data packets, guiding them along the most efficient route within a network. Routing protocols are essential for ensuring that data travels quickly and efficiently across the internet, even as networks grow in size and complexity. They're the invisible navigators that keep the internet connected and data flowing smoothly. Okay, let's zoom in a bit and talk about data link layer protocols. These guys are all about communication within a local network, like your home or office network. They handle the nitty-gritty details of data transfer between devices connected to the same network. One of the most common data link layer protocols is Ethernet. It's the standard for wired networking, connecting devices like computers, printers, and routers using Ethernet cables. It's like the highway system of your local network, providing dedicated lanes for data to travel between devices. Then we have PPP, Point-to-Point Protocol. This one's used for establishing a direct connection between two devices, often over a serial cable or dial-up connection. It's like having a private line for your data, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. And of course, we can't forget about Wi-Fi, which is technically a set of protocols known as IEEE 802.11. Wi-Fi allows devices to connect wirelessly to a network, giving you the freedom to browse the web from your couch, bed, or even your bathroom, no judgment. Data link layer protocols are essential for enabling seamless communication within a local network, providing the foundation for all your online activities. Finally, let's talk about the protocols you interact with directly. Application layer protocols. These are the ones that enable specific applications and services you use every day, like browsing the web, sending emails, and streaming videos. One of the most fundamental application layer protocols is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's the foundation of the World Wide Web, used to transfer data between your browser and websites. It's what allows you to view web pages, download files, and interact with online content. Then we have DNS, Domain Name System. Remember those long, complicated IP addresses? DNS translates those numerical addresses into human-readable domain names, like google.com or facebook.com. It's like the phone book of the internet, making it easy to find the websites you're looking for. And let's not forget DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This one automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on a network, saving you the hassle of configuring them manually. It's like having a network administrator that takes care of assigning IP addresses, so you don't have to. Application layer protocols are what make the internet usable and accessible, providing the interface between you and the vast world of online services. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the world of network protocols. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the fundamental communication protocols that form the backbone of the internet, to the user-facing application protocols that power your favorite online services. Hopefully, you've gained a newfound appreciation for the complex and fascinating world of networking. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until next time, keep it locked to ARYSEC.